Hi everyone, it's me. I did bag some papers. It's supposed to rain. He's probably waiting for his paper. Yep, I figured, because he's one of my customers. And then I had to call to try to get a hold of my boss. Come to find out she's on vacation. Because somebody is subbing one of the routes because they couldn't find a replacement. And somehow they managed to get two of my customers. Well, I didn't like the way the papers were put in the bags anyways because they were rolled. Well, I don't roll my papers. I always fold them, and I don't want to get a complaint. So I took the papers out, took two of them that I had and that were actually bagged properly, and took care of them. And then I fixed the two that were screwed up and used them. So I'm going to have extra papers. Hopefully this other driver didn't get any more of my customers, because if so, there's going to be a problem. But yeah, my partner met up with me, so he's doing part of the route, so I could, because I got that doctor's appointment, I don't think I'll get done in time. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.